Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite host Crypto Guru. So in this video I want to show you guys how you can be able to connect your Sidra to MetaMask, right? So Sidra have brought this update before and they take it back. So right now they decide to bring it back in order for us to proceed before the mainnet. So this is the process you need to follow, right? I want to make this video so short so that you guys can follow this process and do your own immediately before it's too late for you, right? So this video is from somebody that made this video and I want to edit it to voice over for you guys, right? The reason why I'm doing this because I can't log in my own Sidra app, so go and try it out, right? I'll be dropping this link right here, right? This Sidra ledger under the description of this video and also in the comment section. So what you need to do is to copy this ledger, right? Once you copy this ledger, then you open your MetaMask. So let's open the MetaMask and proceed. After opening your MetaMask, the second thing you need to do is to tap on the MetaMask browser. Now I want you guys to know that it's not only MetaMask you can use this to do. You can also connect it with another Web3 decentralized application like BitGet. But let me show you the process of connecting with MetaMask since Sidra decided to recommend MetaMask for us, right? So tap on the browser. You can see right here, this is the browser. What you need to do is to tap on the browser, then you search, right? sidrachain.com, right? www.sidrachain.com. You are going to see it on, it opens like this. You tap on it, KYCPORT, then you tap on login, right? So let's tap on login. You can search it. Let me just give you the simple way to search it, right? You paste this ledger, copy the ledger I sent to you, then you paste it. Let's start with the ledger first. You copy the ledger, you paste it right here, then you're going to see this add Sidra. You scroll down, you're going to see this add Sidra chain. This is the first step you need to do. If you don't do this step, you're not going to add it. Then you tap on add Sidra. This is the crucial step you need to follow after adding it before you can connect it. Now you can see that we have already added it successful, right? So we have added it now, so we have to go back inside the Sidra app and find where we are going to bring it out in order for us to see it, so that if we go inside the Sidra app we can be able to connect it easily, right? After adding it, you have to come out right here. This is not the place, right? This is not the place. So we are going to this bottom right here, this up. Let's go to this popular network. You have to tap on this popular network, and once you tap on this popular network, let's go back. You tap on popular network. Tap on this popular network. Once you tap on popular network, you are going to see it there. You are going to see the Sidra. You go on custom, right? This custom right here, you tap on custom, you are going to see Sidra chain. So this is it right here, Sidra chain, right? You tap on it, you are going to see it right here. After adding this is the first step you need to do. After doing this step, then you are going to MetaMask right now. Search for the sidrachain.com inside this MetaMask again. Once you search on sidrachain.com, then you open it and log in. After logging in, then you can be able to connect your wallet. This is the second step, which is the last step you're going to connect, right? So let's search on sidrachain.com, www.sidrachain.com. Then you tap in on login with KYCPORT, right? So let's tap on KYCPORT. Once you tap on your KYCPORT like this, then you authorize, right? You log in with your account. In case your account is not showing, then you can do it manually. Now you can see we have already logged in. Then let's scroll down, right? We're on our wallet right now. Tap on this wallet too. This place the wrote wallet too, right? Tap on it. Then you tap on add new wallet, right? So once you tap on add new wallet, you are going to see register external wallet like advanced users. This is where you are going to see MetaMask, right? You are going to see this. If you choose to connect this, then you tap on this red button. I understand the security risk. Then you tap on it. Yes, this is the last step you're going to follow. You tap on this red button. Once you tap on it, then you're good to go. Your wallet is connected automatically. Then you're going to wait for the next step and any update that Sidra is going to post. But this is the last step you need to do. You just tap on this red button which shows I understand the risks. You can also read before you tap on it, but this is how you can be able to connect your Sidra to MetaMask. After following this step, there's no any other step again. You just wait for the next update. Don't forget, this is your boy Crypto Guru, and I promise if there's any update about this Sidra mining, I'll definitely drop it in this channel so that you guys can go through it and do it immediately as soon as possible before the listing date. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.